The action of careless cops caught on video. Senior officers of the Jamaica Constabulary Force say that they have increased the level of training of members of the force to better prepare them on how to conduct themselves in volatile communities across the country, especially with the high levels of crime being experienced in some areas. But a recent video circulating on social media has revealed that despite the efforts, not all members of the JSF are following the instructions. The video shows police personnel conducting investigations in a community, but failing to close the doors to the marked police vehicle that is left unattended on a dirt track that has corrugated zinc fences on both sides. As a case in point, the young male who was at the location entered the vehicle and removed one of the officer's bulletproof vests. To the amusement of another individual shooting the video, the young man took the time to try on the vest, as well as a police hat which was also in the police vehicle, and even returned the items without drawing the attention of the police personnel. Security experts said the development constituted a serious police breach, as the young men could have easily stolen the property of the government and used it while conducting criminal activities. A senior member of the police high command said they are carrying out checks to verify the location where the incident took place and the officers who were involved. The incident is not the first of the kind to take place with police personnel. Last year, criminals managed to steal a phone from a marked police vehicle that was left unattended by police personnel in downtown Kingston. The cops had parked the vehicle and gone to investigate a development in the market when criminals were able to enter the vehicle and remove the phone. The criminals later escaped from the area. Also, in April 2016, a man was shot and killed on Olympic Way in the Bay Farm Road area of St. Andrew after he reportedly stole a policeman's M16 rifle. Reports are that the man took the rifle from the cop, who was in a service vehicle in front of the Olympic Gardens police station, and fled in a public passenger bus. The police gave chase and the man was shot and killed after he reportedly pointed the weapon at the security team that managed to corner the individual on the minibus that he had boarded. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.